Welcome to Home Tech Decisions episode 10. Today we're here to talk to you about door sensors and window sensors. We have lots to talk about here, lots of different features, some cool ones, some pros and some cons. So let's take it away. Brandon, what are some of the best features on these?
Yeah, so this is pretty straightforward stuff here. We've got a number of different sensors, so we tested them both with our Hubitat and with our SmartThings hub. We looked at connectivity, how they connect, whether it's Z-Wave or Zigbee, if there's any delays that we noticed, and kind of just price point. Yeah. So we'll just go right down the line.
Let's just go right down the line.
We've got the NYC nice Zigbee door sensor here. This little tiny guy. It's got a great battery life, but it is on the expensive side at $43, and it does work with both hubs. Okay. The EcoLink was $29. It's Z-Wave, and it does work with both hubs. Very fancy. It's got a light. It's a little bulkier. The next two, which is kind of interesting, is the Monoprice and the Home Seer, which also was branded as Xfinity Home when I opened the box. So clearly there's been some white label stuff going on, but they appear to be identical. They connected the same way. On the SmartThings, I had to code them as a generic, and then they worked. Same with Hubitat. I believe there was one I was able to make it work with. I don't remember which, but one of them was 25, the other one was 28, and it could just be the time of day pricing. But they were both good. They connect with Z-Wave Plus actually, but they're a bit on the bulkier side. So
and they look identical.
But they're the same.
Identical.
So then we get over here to the Samsung Zigbee connector. Very strong magnet on that one, I noticed. Great price, $20. Probably my favorite, honestly. Yeah. Then we've got our AOTech at the end there. Great sensor. It's got this is actually the seven. So it's got extra features as far as like tilt, temperature, all that stuff. The problem I ran into with it is that the manufacturers of these hubs haven't updated the firmware to make it work. So they had connectivity issues right out of the box. So that was kind of a little bit frustrating. And unfortunately, I actually broke the switch for pairing, so it doesn't actually work anymore. But I had it connected to our Abode hub, and there were some features I couldn't use. I know Hubitat is releasing with their update, they're going to be able to have support for the 7. AOTech makes great products. It's just that the hubs haven't caught up yet. So I'm not saying this one's a bad one, but right now it didn't work out well for us. So that one comes in at $40. So all in all, they're all about the same price. You're looking at $20 to $40. They all do the same thing basically. A couple of them have some additional features, which if that's important to you, by all means. Again, if you have the Ring or the Nest or a Simply Safe or Abode, I'd honestly probably just use those sensors because they pair with the system and it makes it easy.
A lot easier.
I have Abode sensors all around my house for the windows and doors. I don't have one in the shop because they're all in use, but they're great.
Why?
Yeah, and we also have a Fibaro door sensor as well. It looks very similar to the AOTech.
Just
so
like that, yeah.
It's almost like there was a common manufacturer there
Almost.
or something. They're very close in design, so and as features as well. Both are great companies. Highly recommend them. And yeah, well, I don't know what else you would want to know, I guess.
Please, if you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments below, and we're happy to respond. This is just kind of a basic one on door and window sensors, but we are happy to revisit if there is a great demand for it. But there's really not a whole lot to talk about these. They work with some hubs, they don't work with some hubs. Hubs need to be updated a little bit. But these are some of the best ones that we've tried. And so as Brandon has kind of talked about that, so if you have any questions, like I said, just comment. Otherwise, we will see you at the next episode. Take care.